Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I am going to show you how to set Alexa as your default assistant on your Android 10 phone. To do this, go to Settings, then tap on Apps and Notifications. Tap on Default Apps, then tap on Assist App, tap on Assist App again, and select Amazon Alexa. Then OK. Now let's try it. Swipe at a roughly 45-degree angle from the bottom right corner of the screen to launch your assistant. Alexa, what's the time?
The time is 12:28 p.m.
As you can see, Alexa has become your default assistant on your phone. A simple way to make Alexa your default assistant on your Android 10 phone. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.